At first, I was skeptical, but after Adiola explained everything to me, she was kind of like a support system to me. She always, checks on me. Even I get random calls from her. Adora, how are you? Have you submitted this? She always gives me advice. Why not call this and that? I feel this is very, very good for the school. And secondly, very, very flexible. Being a mom of two and, juggling with. Actually, I started this program concurrently with my 2-year course. So I was doing this program and I was also going to school. And on the same time, I was also doing my part-time job. So I was doing 3 things at the same time. So it was super flexible. The instructor, Mr. Sign, he's super friendly and he always understands us. Even when we are like, oh, sir, we are running late. He'll be like, don't worry, you get to get the record. So I feel everything is good. Yeah.